In this video,
we will learn how to use Crosshair X on Fortnite full screen. In order to use Crosshair X on Fortnite in full screen, firstly you will need Crosshair X installed. In order to do that, firstly come up to your Windows PC. Then from the search panel of Windows, type in Epic Games Launcher, then hit enter. After that, let the Epic Games Launcher open up. After it opens, from the search panel, search for Crosshair X, then hit enter. After that, click on the Crosshair X application that is available in here. From here, all you need to do is buy it using $3, which is a measly price for this application. After you have bought and installed Crosshair X on your PC, all you need to do is press Windows plus G to open up the game bar icon. After opening up the game bar icon, you will need to click on the widget icon from the left hand side, and in the widget icon, you will find Crosshair X extension. All you need to do is just click on Crosshair X. Then all you need to do is click on a center and pin it in the middle of your screen. After that is done, you can use the Crosshair X extension in Fortnite and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.